Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to DM someone in TikTok. First step is open the TikTok application on your mobile device. When you open the TikTok app, you will see an inbox icon at the bottom. Press it. That will lead you to the activity page. At the top right corner you will see the icon for direct message. Press it and you will see a list of people you are following. If you don't find any here, then click on the plus button that you will find on the top right. Tap on the person you want to DM. You will be prompted to compose your message. Then tap send icon.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.